One more important passage of Act 1, Scene 3. The first line of this passage is, Signor Antonio, many a time and oft in the Rialto you have rated me. Lines of Shylock. So here in this scene, there has been some discussion between Antonio and Shylock. Antonio has come to ask for a loan of 3,000 ducats for this money lender. What ought to be embarrassing for Antonio is the fact that he has always criticized Shylock for lending money on interest. And in the present situation, he has himself come to ask for a loan. When Antonio asks Shylock if he is going to oblige him with a loan which he needs for his friend, Shylock reacts angrily. So, what is there in this passage? Shylock has been insulted. Antonio has abused him at the stock exchange in the presence of other merchants. He has criticized the Jew, condemning him for his money lending practices. Shylock has never reacted violently. Instead, he has shrugged his shoulders and endured all patiently. Endurance is the characteristic of the Jewish community. He has never hit back in response to those indignities heaped upon him. So it is Shylock's grimace that Antonius has hurled abuses on him. He has been called a non-believer, a cutthroat dog. Antonio has gone to the extent of spitting upon Shylock's Jewish robe. All this only because Shylock makes money by charging interest on the loans advanced to people who need such loans. So, we can see a strong prejudice against Jews in these lines. We get a glimpse of the social persecution which the Jews endured at the hands of Christians. They were not justified in ill-treating the Jews who were only engaged in their business of lending money on interest. Here Shakespeare seems to have a favorable attitude towards the Christian. So he presents Antonio as a good and virtuous man and Shylock as a wicked character. Yet he seems to think of such a behavior an unnatural thing. The reader feels sympathy for Shylock.